Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making a clam bake on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC 3. So the first thing that we need to do is light up the grill, and here's how we do that. We're gonna set the Memphis grill to 470 degrees, and I like to use fruit wood pellets when making the clam bake. The grill is up to temperature, so now it's time to put together the clam bake, and we're gonna start by adding 2 pounds of parboiled potatoes into an aluminum pan. Then we want to add 2 sweet onions that we peeled and cut into 4 wedges each. Then we want to cut 2 ears of corn crosswise into 3-inch pieces and add. We're going to slice up 2 andouille sausages and add. Next we're going to add the seafood, and we want to start with 24 black mussels, and we also want to add 24 Manilla clams. We're going to add 1 pound of deveined and peeled shrimp. We're going to mix about 3 tablespoons of Old Bay Seasoning with half a cup of water, and then we're going to pour this into the pan as well. We're also going to add 2 cups of white wine. We want to lay 10 sprigs of parsley on top. Then we're going to cut 4 lobster tails in half and add on top of the mixture as well. We're also going to season this with our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Seafood Boost or a little bit more of the Old Bay Seasoning. Now we want to cover the roasting pan tightly with at least double heavy-duty foil. We want to close the lid and steam the clam bake for between 15 to 20 minutes. The food is done when the clams and mussels have opened and the lobster tail is cooked through. We want to remove the aluminum foil, and now it's time to dump this glorious clam bake onto a table covered with either butcher paper or some tablecloth. And then the clam bake is ready to serve. And that is how I make my clam bake on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC 3. Now if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, memphisgrills.com, for more cool recipes like this one. I was able to get a plate for myself from our table, so here we go. Here's a beautiful little shrimp. Oh, come on. Juicy, moist, cooked to perfection. And my favorite, the Andouille sausages. Man, this is so good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.